Hello everyone, welcome to the chemistry classes. So in last video we have discussed about the a basic about nomenclature of organic compound. So as we discussed about the root word and also a basic idea about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So in today's session I am going to explain a further idea about what here organic chemistry. So we know that the organic compounds. So there are so many types of organic compounds are there. So before going to this in detail, so just I would like to discuss about the classification of organic compounds. So classification of organic compounds. Classification of organic compounds. So classification of organic compounds. So here the organic compounds are classified into mainly aliphatic compounds, and the second one aromatic compounds, aliphatic compounds, aromatic compounds. Then the third one alicyclic compounds, and the fourth one heterocyclic compounds. So let us study one by one. So the organic compounds, these are mainly classified into four types. The first one aliphatic compounds, second one aromatic compounds, and the third one alicyclic compounds, and the fourth one that is heterocyclic compounds. So we will discuss about the first one compound, I mean aliphatic compounds. So aliphatic compounds, these are the compounds, they are the open chain structure, they having what here open chain structure, so they are called aliphatic compounds. So aliphatic compounds are the compounds which are formed by the just combining a carbon atoms. So formation of a long chain or branched chain, so such type of compounds are called aliphatic compounds. So this is an example for aliphatic compounds. Now the carbon, they can combine with each other forming either long chain or branched chain. So such type of compounds are aliphatic compounds. So aliphatic compounds are also called what here open chain compounds. So open chain compounds, they do not containing any cyclic structure, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ cyclic structure ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು compounds ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ aliphatic compounds. So for example aliphatic compounds examples, so alkanes. So in ಹಿಂದಿನ alkanes, so in last class we discussed about the alkanes. So for example alkanes, example methane, ethane, and then alkenes, ethene, propene, butene. So these are example for the aliphatic compounds, and then alkynes also example for the aliphatic compounds. So these are the open chain compounds that do not have consisting any a cyclic structure or ring structure. So such types of compounds are considered as aliphatic compounds. So next one aromatic compounds. So aromatic compounds are the compounds which having at least one benzene ring. So aromatic compounds So aromatic compounds are the compounds which consisting at least one benzene ring, which should have what here at least one benzene ring. Such type of compounds are called what here aromatic compounds. So aromatic compounds or benzenoid ante benzenoid compounds anta helbodu. So aromatic compounds examples. So first examples benzene. So benzene, it is an aromatic compounds. And another one example, so this is phenol, benzene, and this is phenol, or toluene, naphthalene. So these are the example for what here naphthalene. These are the example for aromatic compounds. So this is toluene and this is naphthalene. Okay, so now another one, third one type, that is alicyclic compounds. So alicyclic compounds are the compounds, they are very similar to the what here aliphatic compounds. They resemble the similarities to the aliphatic compounds. Such type of compounds are called what here alicyclic compounds. So alicyclic compounds, these are the compounds which resemble aliphatic compounds, but they having what here cyclic structure. They are similar to the aliphatic compounds, but they possess what here, they have what here cyclic structure. Such type of compounds are called what here alicyclic compounds. So for example here alicyclic compounds. So alicyclic compound means the compounds which are similar to the aliphatic compounds containing cyclic structure. For example here, so this is an example for the alicyclic compounds. So this is an example for alicyclic compound. So the name of this compound is what here cyclopropane. So this is not an aromatic compound because this compound do not have what here a benzene ring. But this is an alicyclic compound. That means what here having a closed structure, a cyclic structure, a closed structure of carbon. So that is called what here alicyclic compounds. So another one example for alicyclic compound. So this is an cyclobutane. So cyclopropane, because here 3 carbon atoms are there, hence we know that the root word for 3 carbon atoms, so we have to use what here prop. And N indicates what here, there is a presence of what here only single bonds. Okay, there is no double bonds, so for that reason we have used ANE. And this is cyclo means that that is an cyclic structure. So now here by looking at this compound, so here there are 4 carbon atoms at the 4 corners, hence the root word which is used as but. Okay, so now the compound which do not consisting any double bonds or triple bonds, hence the ANE used, alkane. So as I told in previous video, AN means the only containing water carbon single bond. So now here this is cyclic structure, hence this in front of this we have to write what here cyclobutane. And one more example for alicyclic hydrocarbon or alicyclic compounds. So this is an cyclopentane. Okay, so you know the reason, it is an cyclic structure and having a root word pent, that indicates there is a presence of 5 carbon atoms. So here 1 2 3 4 5. N indicates there is a carbon single bonds. So these are all example for the alicyclic compounds. So next one we have heterocyclic compounds. So here by looking these compounds, so we'll come to know that at the corner of this cyclic structure they only presence of what here carbon atoms. So these are also called what here carbocyclic compounds. So carbocyclic compounds are nothing but what, so only the cyclic structure consisting only carbon atoms. So this is another one example. So this is an cyclohexane. Okay, so only consisting carbon atoms. Hence, such type of compounds are called what here? Carbocyclic. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss about this heterocyclic compounds. So heterocyclic compounds are the compounds in which what happen? Replacement of carbon atom can be takes place from the chain. From the cyclic compounds. So for example here, now I will write this compound. This compound, it is an example for the carbocyclic because only it is made up of what here? Carbon atom. But heterocyclic means what here? There should be presence of other atom. Hetero means what here? Different. Now here the only it contains carbon. Now after replacement of one carbon atom, so we are going to insert a hetero atom, other than carbon atom. For example, I will write here oxygen. Instead of carbon at the corner, that carbon is replaced by the oxygen atom. So such type of compounds are called what here? Heterocyclic compound. So similarly, I will write one more example for this heterocyclic compounds. So this is another one example. So one of the carbon atom replaced by the sulfur. So this is also example for the heterocyclic compounds. So another one example I will write here. So this is again the carbon atom at the corners replaced by the nitrogen NH group. So that is called what here? Heterocyclic compounds. So heterocyclic compounds are the compounds in which the carbon atom which is present in the cyclic ring, which is replaced by the other element, different element. Hence, such type of compounds are called what here? Heterocyclic compounds. The name only indicates what here? Heterocyclic. That means in cyclic structure, there is a different atoms are present. Such type of compounds are called heterocyclic. So after observing this, we will come to know that here at the corners we have what here? Carbon atoms, and here the corner we are going to replace what here? Carbon by the oxygen atoms. So, and here also same thing, the replacement of carbon atoms by the sulfur. So such type of compounds are called what here? Heterocyclic. The name of this compound is what here? Furan. The name of the compound is furan, and this is thiophene, and this is what here? Pyrrole. So these are the example for the heterocyclic compounds. Okay, so just I wanted to repeat it again. So aliphatic compounds are the open chain compounds. They do not consist cyclic structure. So such type of compounds aliphatic are called aliphatic compounds. Example I have already told. Aliphatic compounds examples are alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So such type of compounds, they have what here? Open chain structure. So carbon combined together. So there is a formation of either long chain or branched chain. So it indicates there is a open chain. So such type of compounds are called aliphatic compounds. Now here the second one, that is aromatic compounds. So aromatic compounds, as I told, the compound that should contain at least one benzene ring. So such type of compounds are called aromatic compounds. So I have given example aromatic compounds. The example is benzene, and this is phenol. So because here again there is a presence of benzene ring, and this is toluene, naphthalene, anthracene. So many types of examples are there for the aromatic compounds. So alicyclic compounds are the similar compounds to the aliphatic compounds, but the difference is what here? Alicyclic compounds having a closed chain structure, cyclic structure. They are called alicyclic compounds. So as a given example, cyclopropane and cyclobutane and cyclopentane, cyclohexane. So these are the example for the alicyclic compounds. Now the next one, the last one, that is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are the compounds, so in which what happen, the carbon atom of the cyclic structure which are replaced by the other atom, hetero atom, different atom. So I have given in this structure example, I have given furan. In this structure what happened, the carbon atom of this corner which is replaced by the oxygen atom, and such type of compounds are called heterocyclic compound. So I have given example furan, thiophene, pyrrole, pyridine. So these are all example for the heterocyclic compound. So let us, I will move for the another one concept, that is functional group. Functional group means functional groups. Functional group defined as a atom or a group of atom which determine the properties of the chemical compounds, organic compounds. So they are called a functional group. For example, here functional group OH. So this is an functional group, so which determine the properties of the given organic compound. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಓ ಎಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸಿ ಓ ಎಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಓ ಎಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ ಓ ಎಚ್, aldehyde CHO, okay, so ketone CO. So these are the some of the example for the functional group. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ functional group ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ OH ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಓಯಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಫಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ AL ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ದ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಓನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ OH ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. COH ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಓಯಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. CHO ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ AL ಅಂತೇಳಿ. CO ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಓನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ nomenclature of the organic compounds. So these are the functional groups. So these functional groups, atom or group of atom which determine the properties of the organic compounds, so they are called functional group. So ಇವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವು ಏನನ್ನ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ OH ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. COH ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಯಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. CHO ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ AL ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. CO ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ONE. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.